I asked ChatGPT to organize everyone into balanced groups. Now, of course, for confidentiality, when I inputted this information to chat, I had students identified by numbers that I knew. I didn't like upload everyone's, name and identification into chat, but taking in to account preferences, what type of roles they take on, if they were uncomfortable, being in a group with someone, etc. I fed all that into chat and said, yes, codes and numbers, and said, okay, can you organize my folks into groups, and can you create a seating chart? So I then gave chat information about the seating in the lecture hall, complete with how many rows, how many seats per row. I let chat know I wanted them to be seated in pods. So rather than, okay, group one, you're in the entire row of group one. Because in a large lecture hall, if there are 6 or 7 students in a row, they can't talk to each other. So I said, can you make them in pods? So like for group one, some of the students in group one will be in the first row. Some of the students in group one will be in the second row. So they can kind of work together in their little pod. And chat did that for me. And it was fantastic because then not only was it, okay, here's how you could divide up the groups into different pods, then chat was able to say, okay, this, again, using codes and numbers, it was student 36 is going to be seated in row 12, seat 35. Here are their group mates and so forth. So